Hello folks, I hope you're all well. I've got a couple of hours on Wilmslow Road. So I'm hoping to show you guys around, cover as much as possible, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's do this. This is the very top end of Wilmslow Road. It starts from here. Just like Leicester, guys, we have jewelry shop here, just like our Golden Mile. I can tell you the smell here is amazing, so appetizing. Weather's not with us, but we'll still carry on. I've got my umbrella with me, so that's okay. Not that busy, to be honest, today. I believe it's because it's a Sunday and weather's not that brilliant, and possibly it picks up probably after 5 or 6 p.m. A wet Sunday afternoon. So that's my favorite there, kulfi, Malai kulfi. Wow. It's a bit challenging to film with one hand and hold the umbrella with the other, but I ain't got a choice. It looks like this one is coming up soon. Yumyo, I presume must be an ever-changing kind of scene with shops, new shops opening, old ones shutting. Now that is my favorite, Kobeda place. Whenever I'm in Manchester on Wilmslow Road, this is the place I eat. I'm going to take some takeaway. I don't think I've got enough time to eat that today. Most popular dish is kabuli pulao. Look at this, guys. Look at these sweets. I'm already salivating. I think I'm gonna grab some. It's too tempting to resist. Oh, I've got a sweet tooth. I can't resist. I have to get something. How much is it per kilo? Can I get a mixture of it or? Yeah. 16 pound a kilo. Okay. Beautiful shop, isn't it, guys? Still checking down, guys. But like I said, walking in the rain has got its own beauty. I'm gonna wait around for a little while till the neon lights on this road come on. And it's already starting to get a little dark anyway, so it shouldn't be too long, lest we forget. Turkish sweet shop. Let's see what they got. Hey guys, the neon's starting to come out.
This is Manchester.
Hello! Alright guys, well, I've reached the end of Wilmslow Road now and I'm making my way back to the start of the road. Here at my favorite place. We've been coming to this place for quite a few years now. Yeah, brother, can I have 3 kabuli pulao?
3 kabuli pulaos.
And 1 double kebab, please.
Do you want that with naan bread?
Sorry?
Like naan bread?
With naan bread, yes. So that guy is the kabuli pulao. And this is their menu up here. There we go guys, Wilmslow Road at night. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one.